All right, I got the ULANZI J12 wireless lavalier microphone for USB. The listings look very similar, so make sure you're getting the USB one if you have an Android or the iPhone version. They have two versions of this. It comes with, the box right here, obviously, set of instructions, and there's really not much to this, and a charging cable. And you get this nice charging case that it comes in. On the bottom, we have the charging port right here. It'll blink red while it's charging, and when it's completely charged, it turns off. We have the receiver and two clip-on lavalier mics. Nice case, I like that. The lav mics have clip-ons right here, which is nice. There's an on-off button on the side, and you can actually charge them individually if you wanted to outside of the case. One of the cool things on this is when you plug this into your phone, there's a port right here so you can actually plug your charger into here and charge your phone while you're using this, which I think is cool. What I want to test right now is to see if we can get one of these things to work while I've got it running right during the mid video. So everything, plug this thing in. All right, so hopefully this lavalier mic that I've just plugged in is working, and you can hear the difference between the phone version that you heard earlier and the lavalier mic now. This supposedly has a 65-foot transmission range on it. What I like about it is it's absolutely plug and play. There's no software to download. You just plug the receiver into your phone, turn the thing on, and it connects. And obviously I like the fact that there's two of them. If you're looking for a lightweight set of lavalier mics with its own charging case to protect them, check out this one by ULANZI. Check it out.